Hey lovely mom, thank you so much for tuning in. Today's video is going to be fall bathroom deep cleaning routine, and I will share a little bit of my checklist for deep cleaning the bathrooms. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Stephanie and I share a lot of motherhood, lifestyle, home, and other related content. If that's something that you like, please hit that subscribe button down below so you become part of the Consider It All Joy family. Now let's get to it. And the first thing that I'm doing is I am taking all of the decor down so that way I can wipe the surfaces without having any of the decor around it. Scrubbing the tub is definitely a monthly thing, but I have been a little behind, to be honest, and also I just thought that I should include it in my seasonal deep cleaning to give it a little bit more elbow grease than just my normal wipe down. So I'm going to be doing something different in this video. I am actually not going to be doing the voiceover for the remaining part of this video. If you like this type of videos with no voiceover, please give it a thumbs up. And if you don't, please go ahead and comment in the section below and just let me know what your preferences are. I will always like to know, but don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe for more of these type of videos.
I'm feeling way too low to start this night, but I wanna get to your bash. Last night you tried to make me angry, yeah, but this time I get you mad. Oh, don't need apologies, enough for this, I'm burning for you. Can't get enough of the weekend. I wanna seize the night like me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it.